Let's go, wreck them. Are they going to race? If you do a figure eight, that counts as a race for me. Uh-oh. Come on, Adam. Oh, weak. The M80 is not starting. Yeah, there he goes. Let's go. Go get him, 525. Oh, God. Yeah. Here comes the hit. Deck 1-2. And the M80. Leading the race down the front stretch. Here comes a 525. Swing and a miss. Dig, buddy. Oh, yeah. Tip him over. Oh, he wants to break his stick. Can you do that, Jerry? I don't think you can. We might have to talk to tech inspectors here. 525 and M80. Ooh. Boom shakalaka, Jerry. We'll get a better one later. Yeah. Oh, tip that baby. Stay in it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And a tire hit, trying to knock the tire off on a 525. Yeah. Get it. Line up all the way across and a whole track hit. That was what I want to see. They must be brothers or something. And, oh, there you go. That is some lawnmower action. Oh, I'm hearing some grinding. Yeah. Back it up. Back it up. Bam! That's right. And this day. Come on, 525. Yeah, get some distance. Do this one. Hold on to that steering wheel. Actually, let go of your Danica Patrick. Bam! Don't want to get hurt. And a 525 again. A nice hit. He's giving all the hits. Let's go. Ooh, awesome. That's a good one. May have stuck him now here.
Body work, 5-5.
Uh-oh. Get that hit, M80. He might win this thing because he's done all the work. Uh-oh, he's going to go under the hood. Don't pinch your finger off. There you go. He's done. How about a Grammy? M80, your winner.